Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dabo, and today I'm here to bring you guys a very exciting video. This is one of those videos that I know a lot of people search for, including myself, and I have actually found some good videos here on YouTube, but I also have created my own collection of contour products that I think will be really beneficial for us deeper dark skin tones. So basically in this video I'm just going to be showing and swatching different contour products that I have in my collection and works really bomb on my skin, and I think will work well with other deeper skin tones. These products range from drugstore to higher end to dollar products. Like, it's amazing. So if you're interested in seeing some of my favorite staple contour products in my collection, keep on watching. Alright guys, so to get us started, I'm gonna start off with products that you've probably seen on my channel if you watch my videos. The first product I'm gonna start off with is Deep Rose eyeshadow right here from Coastal Scents. As you guys know, I love this eyeshadow. Like, it's bomb. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This is actually the first contouring product that I've ever used. My lights are so bright, so you might not be able to see it. Oh, by the way, that's Fenty 498 foundation on my hand. I was doing my makeup before this. But this Deep Rose right here only retails for $2 or $3. Sometimes Coastal Scents have them for $1. This is part of their hot pots. It's amazing. So I definitely love this. The next item that I'm going to show you guys is something you have seen on my channel and I absolutely love. Is this contour shade right here called Brownie Bite. As you guys seen, I have extremely hip hand. Like, this contour is amazing. I believe it's slightly deeper than Deep Rose. This is actually the first, I would say, mainstream contouring product that I've used. Before this, I've never been able to use like a contouring product that a lot of brands have came out with, because like, it just never worked. But this right here, like, is so popping. I just wish BH Cosmetics would like come out with this on its own, because I don't really utilize the whole palette. The highlights are really nice too. The eyeshadows, they cool, but like, I use this palette mainly for Brownie Bite. So it would be really nice if BH Cosmetics would like come out with this on its own, because it's popping. And this palette retails for, I believe, $22. But honestly, when you catch it on a good sale, it's like $13. And $13 for all of this, amazing. Alright, so another product that I have that you guys, I don't know if I mentioned this on my channel, but this is bomb to some bomb. The only thing is that this is more on the higher side, but still it's bomb. It's black owned, and this has to be the AJ Crimson foundation. I forget the name, but I've had this for a while. This is a cream foundation, but you guys see how rich and deep it is. It's amazing. I love it. The only thing with this one is that, being that I have oily skin, I feel like it's not really oily skin friendly. But like, if you use a good primer, or like if you're able to set it well, this is popping, because it's super dark and it's amazing. I believe this retails for about $30. Sometimes they have sales, but this is one of those, like, if you're a makeup artist, you definitely should have this in your collection. So the next product that I'm going to mention is also only $1, sis. Like, it's only $1. You know, I gotcha when it comes to cheap products, because you can't be spending all your coins out here on makeup. Like, I spend my coins on makeup, but I feel like the everyday person don't want to spend that much money on makeup, if we're being real. I forgot to swatch. Oh my god, I so forgot to swatch. So let me swatch. Whoa, I'm so sorry, I forgot to swatch. So let me swatch this for you guys. This is it on my finger right here, but let me swatch it for you guys to see. See, it's deeper than Deep Rose. It's pretty deep. Like I said, the lighting is not doing it too much justice because my lights are bright, but as you've seen it on my finger, it's pretty deep. And I'm gonna swatch this AJ Crimson for you guys to see too. I'm only tapping because a little of this product goes a very long way. Y'all need to see this. Like, I can't make this stuff up. Y'all see this? It's dark, honey. It's dark. I love it. I love it so much. So this is it swatched right here. The next product I'm actually going to be featuring is actually like an eyebrow powder, but girl, we gotta make it do what it do, okay? So this right here is a Muse. This is, see, you guys see it's dark. Although this look like near black gray, it swatches really well actually. This is it swatched. But once I put it on, like, it's done popping. This one right here. It's hard to see because of the lights. I'm gonna just keep swatching them on my back of my fingers so you guys see. I'm not gonna put it on my hand anymore. But it's a little gray, but that's a good thing because when it comes to contour, you want to create shadow. So with this, you definitely will get the shadow, and honestly, it's popping. It's done popping. When I tell you it's popping, like if you have really dark skin, this is nice, okay? The next product I'm gonna mention is also from Miss A. This is actually a contouring stick, and it's only $1, sis. This is the Miss A contour stick, and this is in the shade Earth. Guys, this is only $1, but this is mad popping. Like, this is my second one, and it's just amazing. I'm gonna actually swatch it for you guys. I know I said no more swatches, but this is it swatched. It's pretty deep. For $1, it's amazing, honestly. The only thing is that it doesn't really come with that much product, but I'm not complaining. For $1, honey, I'm gonna take this. So when you're ordering this, make sure that you stack up because, you know, it's not a lot, but it will have your face finessed, okay? So definitely when picking this up, make sure that you get, you know, maybe 3 or 4 because it runs out fast and you're gonna want to use it every day. The next product that I'm going to mention is things that I've said on my channel before, and this is the foundation stick from Black Radiance. You guys know I've reviewed this in my last video. This is also a really good contouring stick. This is the first drugstore contouring stick that I've purchased and has been able to use. I honestly, like I said, don't really know any drugstore brand that really comes out with deep contouring sticks. So this Black Radiance stick right here is definitely one to consider or pick up. It retails for $10, but it does the thing. It's really good. I just wish it had more product in it, but I'm not complaining. The last contour product that I'm gonna mention is also from Black Radiance. This is their contour palette. This is the dark to deep palette. This palette over here is popping, okay? Not only is the contour shade popping, but everything else is popping. I don't know if this is the darkest contour product that I have, but it's definitely one of the darkest. Like, it's amazing. A little takes you a very long way. When using this, I would say, like, use a very light hand. Don't use too much because it's really opaque and really is dark. So it's popping. Before I end off the video, I actually want to let you guys know the tools that I use to contour. So basically, I like to use this Instant Pop cheek brush by Real Techniques. I really love this because of the way that it's shaped. So when I'm contouring and it's a cream product, I like to use this to push it upward, to push it downward over here, and in my jawline area I like to use it to push it upward. So this works really well with cream products. It actually also works really well with powder, but when I'm using it, I really like to just use it for my cream contour first, and then if I want, I would use my powder with it. So this is something to definitely pick up. It's gonna have you popping and just snatched, okay? And the last utensil that I like to use to contour definitely has to be an angled brush. Like this right here is from Coastal Scents, and I love it. I use it to like buff the powder in. I use this only for powder. I don't really use this for cream. To do that, I definitely would use the Real Techniques, but this is really phenomenal. But really, you could use any angled brush. I would just say use a smaller angled brush so you have more control. The larger it is, the more, you know, contour can get all over your face. So definitely use a small one. Miss A also has one that's like only $1, and it's pretty good too. So yeah, that was basically it in terms of my favorite contour products. I do have more contour contour products that are really good too. I'm going to list them down below. Those are recommendations that I've heard from other YouTubers and that other people really like. So I'm going to mention those down below. But the point of this video was just to show you guys that you definitely can contour with a deeper dark skin tone. It's possible, you know, brands are now just starting to get it. So you have like brands like BH Cosmetics and Black Radiance and other companies that are starting to come out with stuff. But honestly, sis, you don't have to wait for that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys were able to take away something from it and, you know, just get your slay on. So that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what are your thoughts on contour products. Do you feel like there's enough of a range out there for us? And also let me know what are some of your favorite contour products. Like, could be high-end or low, whatever it is, because our sisters out here always buying makeup, okay? So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Remember to live golden. Bye.